and the conclusion. Thanks for joining us on this hike. If you missed part 1, part 2, and 3, where I talked about a pretty much a channel update, we are moving back to New Jersey. We've been in California for 6 years, and it's time to go back to our home. So I hope we could find places like this in the Poconos or Pennsylvania. So it'll be interesting. Yeah, I'm leaving my job as well. I'm gonna give my 2 weeks notice this coming Monday, and I have been with the same company for 19 years. So, and you never know. Never say never. Even though I'm leaving here, they may hire me back in New Jersey. You never know. So, but I'm open for opportunities, whatever it may be. So, we'll see. I'll be unemployed, but the good thing is my wife will still be employed. She's always been employed by the East Coast company anyway. So, anyway. Oh, look at those dogs. Beautiful. Hello.
This one here?
Sure.
Okay. Did you get how she bumps me all the time crossing over?
Yeah.
Like, I want to play with you.
Caught a lot of planes today.
Yeah.
Good girl, Cara. So as I was saying, Vanessa will be still be employed. I'll be unemployed, but open for opportunities. You never know.
Oh, this is pretty.
It is pretty, right? Little baby waterfall. Let me give you a 360 of this place. It's amazing. Okay, trying to make this videos nice and short for everybody, and it's time to end the this video as well. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell, and thank you for continued support. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and leave a feedback. Thank you. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now.
What time are you going to send it on Monday?
First thing. Oh, what a beautiful dog. Hello. Hello.
Hi.